Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaleda Akter, Assistant Teacher of Social Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. So dear students, today I am going to take a Bangladeshi and Global Studies class for the students of class 4. Today we will do short question and broad question, that means competency based short question and competency based broad question, and today the chapter is 14. So dear students, let's start the class. Dear students, today's lecture number is 16 today. It is your 16 number lecture. So let's go to the class. So dear students, the chapter is 14. Name of the chapter is our history. This is our history, and at first we will discuss about short question, that means CBSQ, competency based short question. In your exam you may get a term that CBSQ, competency based short question. The first one is there are 3 kings in ancient time of Bengal. Name one king from ancient times of Bengal. So they are saying us to name one king from ancient time of Bengal. So the answer is King Shashanka was the king of the ancient Bengal. He was the first powerful king of Bengal in the 7th century AD. So this is the answer of the question. And the second one is Lakshman Sen was king of 12th century. Lakshman Sen was king of 12th century. In which century was Muslim rule brought to Bengal? So the answer is in the 13th century Muslim rule had been brought to Bengal. In 1204 AD, Bakhtiar Khilji introduced Muslim rule by defeating Lakshman Sen. So in that period Bakhtiar Khilji introduced Muslim rule by defeating the Lakshman Sen. And number 3, in Middle Age poets got much admiration. Name one medieval king of Bengal. Answer is Shamsuddin Ilyas Shah was a ruler of the Middle Age of Bengal. He came to power in the 14th century. Number 4, the traditional crafts flourished throughout the Middle Ages. The traditional crafts flourished throughout the Middle Ages. From which century did Bengali literature flourish? In the 14th century, during the reign of Shamsuddin Ilyas Shah, literature started developing in Bengal. Local language, literature and poetry were patronized by the rulers during this period. So dear students, this is the short questions for you, and now we will go to the broad question. Broad question means CBQ, competency based broad question. It will be CBBQ. So dear students, it will be CBBQ, competency based broad question. The first one is Bengal was known for the harmony between Hindus, Buddhists and Muslims. Describe the religious life of medieval Bengal. In the Middle Ages of Bengal, men of different religions lived in harmony. In the early age, there were Hinduism and Buddhism, but in the Middle Age, Muslim rule started in Bengal. The Muslims maintained the religious tradition, including praying at mosques, fasting, celebrating Eid. The Hindus maintained their religion by celebrating different pujas. Other religious communities celebrated their own religious festivals. So in this way, everyone lived together in peace and harmony during the Middle Ages. So in this period, the people of different religions, they lived together, but they maintained their own religious practices very carefully in peace and harmony. And the next question, in Middle Age the economy was based on agriculture. In Middle Age the economy was based on agriculture. Describe the business and trade in medieval Bengal. The economy of the Middle Age remained based on agriculture. At the time, Muslim made by cotton and silk were very popular. The artists of Bengal were expert in ivory and wooden works. During the Middle Age, there were more export business than import businesses. So in that period, there are more export businesses than import businesses. From Chattogram port, rice, sugar, ginger and different types of clothes were exported. Chattogram was well known as a trade center. So in the Middle Age of Bengal, business and trade were developed and popular. Here, in Chattogram, C will be capital form. It is written here short form. It will be capital form. So from Chattogram port, rice, sugar, ginger and different types of clothes were exported. Chattogram was well known as a trade center. So in the Middle Age of Bengal, business and trade were developed and popular. So dear students, you have a SW number is 10. and SW is competency based short question. Competency based short question 1 to 4. Submission date, this is your SW for Eid vacation, so the submission date is 29th of May. So dear students, keep in mind that this is your it's SW for submission, SW for Eid vacations, and the submission date is 29th of May. So my dear students, hope you have understood today's class. This is a very short form of class, and keep practicing at home. This is pick it up in your CW copy and submit this at 29th of May after the Eid. So dear students, stay safe, stay home. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.